Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Stefan Prior from Property Cayman, and welcome to 536 Britannia Estates. Completed in 2023, this ultra-modern home, designed by award-winning architect Robert Towell, is one of the most energy efficient and smartest homes available. Alexa, close blinds. An expansive family home, but built to be so much more, with an 8-seater home cinema, billiard room, swim-up bar, and full outdoor kitchen. But the real difference? Come upstairs with me. Britannia 536, an expansive family home with resort-style amenities.